Namaste.
Namaste.
Where are you in Doha, Afra?
Qatar, Izma,
Okay. Which school you study?
Shantiniketan.
Shanti Niketan. Yeah. I was there in Birla Public School. I think Shanti Niketan, some of the teachers also attended my sessions. Which subject you study?
Biomaths
Where are you from originally?
from Kannur.
Where in Kannur?
Papancheri.
Where in Papancheri?
I don't know exactly.
Okay. I am from Kannur.
Oh,
You know that?
I know.
I am from Taliparamba, 20 kilometers towards east, northeast of Taliparamba.
I know.
Yeah. What are your father doing there?
It's a business.
What business?
Uh, related to passport.
Okay. Who else at home?
I have three siblings.
What do they do?
They were still small.
They don't attend schools?
Yeah, they attend school. My first sibling is in 10th standard. My second sibling is in 7th, and the third.
Okay. So what do I do today? I had a physics class. Last year I conducted a camp called Moksha, which was attended by people from Doha, Saudi Arabia, UAE during the Gulf vacation for children. What is done is you can pick up any subject and ask some questions and then we discuss. So some of the students still continue that. So today was discussion on 8th class subject physics, force and pressure and all that. But that information will be sent to some of the people who are with me, who are even masters, MSc, physics, teachers from different places. All of them will join. So that everybody can learn at a different level, different subjects. That's what I do. Yeah. What do you want? What was your question?
Like, I'm a science student and I'm interested in medicinal field, but I don't want to doctorate now.
Doctorate means PhD. And when you get a doctor, they are called doctorates. So you are not interested in practicing as a doctor.
Yeah, but I feel like, but I know.
So what is that you are looking for is my question.
Yeah, I don't have any.
No,
What should I?
Afra, if I tell you, assume somebody asks me, what should I eat? What do I tell you? Because there are variety of things which people can eat, right?
Yeah.
So you must show some interest. Assume that you are telling, yeah, I like. Don't say that I don't like something. You can say I don't like something because you don't get it. Generally, people have lot of worry about do they get medicine. Admission is very tough. It is not so simple. It is one of the toughest exams in India. So they will say, yeah, I am not interested in. How can you say that I am not interested? Only when you get it, you can say I am not interested, right? If somebody is not giving you biryani, how can you say I am not interested in biryani without tasting it? Maybe so far you heard somebody doesn't like it. One of the best service is medicine, but it's very, very difficult to get. And not even MBBS is not good enough. MBBS from one of the best institutes also is not good enough. Nobody will go and consult MBBS doctors, right? We look for MD, MS. That means 5 years and definitely another 2 years. It's a big job, not that simple. But I'm sure there will be some consensus, some discussions. What could be another medical field which is not MBBS which you are interested? Nursing?
I'm not listening.
Yeah. Then what?
It's like
I didn't get. Your mic is little far. Are you using a speaker or on phone only? Yeah. Yeah. Tell.
yeah, I like
You like you good. The rest I did not get.
I like to work in hospitals.
Yeah. See, hospitals you can be an attender, cleaning person, floor cleaning. You can sell medicines.
Like I interact with people, but like doctor.
Yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. Second one is you can support a doctor. Most of the courses, most of the Muslim girls, I get lot of calls. Most of the Muslim girls, especially from some connection in Gulf, they will ask me some paramedical, pulmonologist, radiologist, ophthalmologist. So many BSc programs are there, specifically in Malappuram, Kozhikode district. You know why they started it? Because most of the medical professionals in Gulf, they need doctors, assistants also, Muslim girls probably. And what did they do? Specifically I traveled across all the Gulf. So I know specifically in Doha, they started paramedical courses. Suppose you do in any college paramedical course in Gulf, Doha itself, there is a chance of getting some job in those places. So if you get any paramedical course in Doha admission, no second question, immediately you join. But don't do it from any colleges in Kerala. You understood?
Yeah.
That is because here most of the paramedical courses are professional courses. They wanted support, they wanted assistance in hospitals, so they give them courses. Whereas you do in Kerala, it will be taught in normal schools, colleges. Those college teachers don't have any idea about what is happening in Gulf. They are not done in hospital. No doctors are met. Suppose you do 3-year program, no doctors will come and talk to you also during the 3 years. So all together it's a waste. So what you study depends on where you study also. You know Onakapathari, right?
Yeah.
You know that nice pathari. Only very specific area. You cannot eat and get it that from Thiruvananthapuram. It will be very bad. Name is same, item is same. But where do you cook? Who cooks makes it different. So I am sure when you study, where do you study? Who teaches you makes lot of difference. Understood? So what you should do is, now you are in plus 2 completed or yet to complete?
No, it comes.
Yet to complete. So you have one more year. Prepare for all entrance examinations. Don't tell I am not interested to marry Salman Khan. Only when Salman Khan tell you that I want to marry Afra can say I am not interested. When you get admission in MBBS, you can tell, yeah, I am not interested in MBBS. Without getting admission, how can you say I am not interested? Did somebody gave you? Yeah. So what you should do is study well, get admission in all the courses. Best course, best university. You need not work as a doctor after MBBS also. Today there are a lot of other professions also for MBBS doctors. Are you aware of the doctors who do social service? MSW. Okay. And there are social service sector in different country where MBBS doctors can do extra course on MSW sort of a thing. And then they start serving society. And you can do PhD. You can work in medical industry. You can do research in medicine. If somebody makes beautiful samosa, everybody will like it. Suppose you don't cook well, you give the best food also, nobody likes it. That's why I said, what do? You do English BA, it has got a good scope. You study MA, you have got good scope. Whatever you study, you must study the best. You have lot of teachers. Do you like all the teachers? You have very specific teachers, not because the subject. You like the subject because teachers are good. Understood? So it all depends on, there is, the best scope is cooking. That is why I keep on mentioning cook. You know, the king or the palace in Doha, the cook will get more salary than collector of Kerala, any district. Correct or not? So it all depends on where do you get job and how best you become in that. That is possible only when you have passion. Yeah, I am interested in this. Your problem is, up to 10th class you studied lot of subjects.
Yeah.
Maths, physics, chemistry, and you are good in everything, but you don't know what is your good thing which you like. Is it that your problem?
Yeah. Like I this course.
Yeah, after 10th somebody told you have to study biomaths. That is a very good decision. Because I keep on telling, you take biomaths, now you can change it to anything, whatever you want. Now what I suggest is IISER, IISER, Indian Institute of Science. There is biomedical engineering. That's all biology with the mathematics. Okay. And a lot of IIT. And all the MBBS colleges. Don't worry, just write examination. Wherever you can write in your life, when you become 40 years, you should not think, yeah, I should have gone. Ask your mother, she will tell you. She would have had a great dream. But did she become what she wanted?
No.
Why did your teacher ask me to ask me? There are a lot of teachers who are teaching in different subjects. Why did they suggest my name?
Because you would be good at all subjects.
Yeah, that because I know how to ask questions. I can also help you how to study. Understood? Suppose you have any problem in either any of the subject which you study, any chapter you don't understand, just call me. Like this. I will teach you just like that. So don't miss anything. It is the last chance in your life to study biology, mathematics, physics, chemistry like this. And write all entrance examinations, because that's the last chance in your life. Further you cannot write. Got it? Then you can shift to whatever you want. What I asked lot of questions to you. Now you ask at least 10 questions to me. I asked more than 10 questions. You ask me. Tomorrow you should tell somebody, no, yeah, I spoke to a old man with a white beard. Who was he? I don't know his name. No, don't tell that. What did he do? All such things have to be understood. So I am teaching you communication skill. Assume you get a job in some place. Tomorrow you want to work in an hospital. You must have good communication. Communication is not speaking blah 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 blah. You have good English, good language. Understood? When somebody speaks to me, immediately based on the hearing that you record it and send me. So that's very clear that you made your item very clear and then record it. Understood? Then I know, yeah, you are a good communicator. I like such people who are very crisp and clear. Some people are not clear. They don't speak. So what do? I will tell them. I have got a bunch of sheet which says what plus 2 people can do. I'll just send them. My job is over. I can just send you that also. These are all different options for plus 2 students. Very simple. I don't even have to think about it. I don't have to discuss. But I don't do that when somebody is very serious. So I found that you are little serious. So that's why I thought I will ask you. Okay, now ask me. To know that you are really serious.
Like what was the major? What was the major subject like?
Me? I am doctor of mathematics. My subject is mathematics. My PhD is in mathematics. But PhD, my topic of research, what I invented in by doing my PhD, that was physics,
Okay.
dynamics, thermodynamics, heat transfer. That's what I studied. And then I did a job in space department. So I was a space scientist in ISRO.
Oh,
So what do? We learn a lot of things like satellite. You have learned satellites and all, right? So that's what I did. So I'm an expert in computer related activities. Hmm?
yeah. Like, what would you suggest? Like best institutes in India?
See, if you are very good, you can do business. I'm also an MBA. I suggest people to become entrepreneurs, do business. There is nothing which is good or bad. I know teachers, +1, +2 teachers in Kannur, they were unhappy with the education and then they started a boutique and that is doing very well. But her passion for teaching, she is continuing with the talking to people and then discussing with them, and they conduct classes and all that. So it all depends on interest, what interest you have. Now I left my job in government nearly 10 years back and then started talking to children like you because I love to help people to make their life. That's why I'm called a mentor, life mentor.
Yeah, like you said, like we need interest in specific field, right?
Yeah. So how do you know
in
which
case of me, like there are like various courses.
yeah. So what you should do is you should ask me, if I do this course, what job I will get? Immediately I can tell you. Or to get this job, what should I study? Suppose you say that, how do I make bonda? I can tell you how to make bonda. How do I make something? How can I answer that question? Suppose you are telling I have got wheat with me, I have got little sugar with me, little ghee with me, what I can make? Then I will tell you with these 3 items you can make this. You got it? So you must tell me.
Like, I'm interested in biology. Research field also.
Yeah, research field means agriculture. Biology also includes agriculture, botany, zoology. My brother did a PhD. He is a zoology PhD. Butterfly. His interest was in butterfly. So he did a PhD in butterfly. But before doing PhD, he was a Indian Forest Service. You know, when the senior officers will go on the top of the jeep, you will have a blue light moving with wang, 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 right? That is given for only senior officer. My brother was one of the senior most IFS, Indian Forest Service. So you can also become Indian Forest Service. Don't look for what you want to study. After that, what job you will get. That is also important, right?
Yes.
So to get a job, what you should study? Suppose you are interested in botany, forest, and animals. You need not become a normal MBBS doctor. Veterinary. I had students who were telling, sir, I want only veterinary because I like all the pets. You have a beautiful this thing there, no? All the pet animals, Doha. Eh? Did you not go to that market where all the eagle and souk? Which souk is that?
Yeah.
Which
So
souk?
Wakif.
Yeah, Wakif. I went all around. There is no place which I have not seen. So assume you are interested to maintain them, to take care of them. Veterinary, beautiful subject.
Yeah.
Got it?
So what?
BVSC, veterinary, doctor of veterinary, Bachelor of Veterinary Science. So that is zoology, botany, agriculture. Doha has beautiful plantations in a different environment. How to cultivate this? There are a lot of scope.
Yeah.
So what you should do is now write down BVSC I wanted to do because I like this. I wanted agriculture. This is what I like. If biology is your interest. But then biology doesn't go alone. It has to have chemistry.
Yeah.
Either fertilizer or for human being in medicine. It is full of chemistry. So are you interested in chemistry?
Chemistry a little bit.
Yeah. See, biology alone without chemistry will be a failure in higher studies. I am interested in agriculture, but I don't know chemistry. Don't know chemistry is not a problem. You take any chapter, I will make you just interested in chemistry. Any chapter we will discuss and I will make you interested in chemistry. So interest is different from whether you know it now or not. Whether you know is not a big problem. We can know, we can learn. That's not a big problem. Understood? Are you ready to work? I am 100% sure you are ready to work. I am 100% sure you have interest in that. Otherwise you will not come to me.
Yes.
Correct? Not every student will ask this question. Not every teacher will give my number to every student. They know, oh, this student has got some interest. Or maybe too much confused. I did not see you too much confused. This confusion is common for most of the students. Okay. But how do you make it clear? You are ready to study. Then things can be made clear. And I am sure definitely there will be lot of questions immediately after that. Your mother will ask, father will ask, what did you discuss? Are they hearing this or?
No, they are not there.
Okay, so they may ask you also. So that's why generally what do I do is, I'll tell you when I finished one of my program, Birla Public School in Doha. And some family wanted to meet me, but they couldn't because they just missed. They thought I am there for 1 or 2 days more. I left to Dubai. So they have flown with the whole family. Girl, father, mother, relatives, 2 kids. Everybody came and stayed in hotel in Dubai 3 days. And we had, wherever I go, she used to come along with me for lectures. You understood? So I have got a lot of people in Doha who really wanted to learn so many things from me. Got it? So first thing, decide that every subject which you study. I like English. I am a good poet in English. I write poetry. Okay. You must read. You must look at my website, read my poetry. Look at my video and then comment there so that I know that, oh, you have seen this. That's why I told you. And you will see some students, they comment keep. I will send you my books or maybe look at my books. In my website there will be books. So decide, look at everything. You don't have to spend too much of time. But very seriously sometime, then take a break. Chemistry you study, take a break. Soon after that, what did you learn in chemistry? Write it down. Make a nice note. And maybe when you write, you don't get something, you miss something. We can have a discussion. I want to see you study everything good. Write all entrance examinations. I have got students from Thrissur and all who got in many institutions. Got in Bhopal, ISAR, Trivandrum, ISAR, and Pune. They got in Bangalore Indian Institute of Science. They got medicine, MBBS also. So they asked me, sir, where should I study? I have got 5 admission card with me. Got it? So then I will tell you, yeah, this is where if you study here, you can every day come and go from your home. At least weekend you can go in. MBBS if you study, you will have to spend another this many years. If your research is your interest, this is what you should study. So decide. I'll send you details or data, or you can look at my websites where this is there. I will give you link. Study that, look at it, understand. But then you must have a very clear idea. This is what I want to do. Discuss with your parents because they also have to support, right? I've got somebody from Palakkad. She wanted to study in Central University, but Kerala she did not get. She got in Karnataka, Gulbarga. So immediately parents said no. But then I said, run away, don't worry. Your parents will support you later. Because she didn't discuss that with parents earlier, right? So this can happen sometimes. Subhida.
Yeah.
Subhida is studying in Gulbarga, you see. Right? So, good. Physics. MSc. She got admission, immediately she left for that place. Because once you decide that this is what I want, you must also convince your parents this is what I wanted to do. Otherwise, what will happen? You will get qualification, but you don't do that job.
Yeah.
But that will become, I am sure you want to create your image, you want to show that you can study, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. I walked from Papinisheri to my house once. Walked. When I was in 9th class.
So I just want to tell something.
Eh?
Like the people is lagging a bit.
9th class, I walked from Papinisheri to my house.
Oh.
That is because we had to get an injection from Papinisheri. That was one of the hospital which was available. Before I go to Delhi for a NCC camp. So before that injection was given there.
Yeah, okay.
Papinisheri is the place where we have got a snake park. The Visha Chikitsa Kendra, not snake park. The medicine for snake bites were given, the injections were given only in Papinisheri, in the whole Kannur district once upon a time. So anything more to ask? I am not staying in Kerala, I am in Hyderabad now. And everyday class.
Okay.
Every
So,
day.
like, what is gentleman?
General medicine is MBBS. And when you specialize, you can have gynecology, you can have ophthalmology. Non-general medicine at graduation is BDS. Got it? So general medicine means MBBS. After that, specialization. Now Aster Medical College you have got in Kannur and Calicut. My nephew is a doctor there. His specialization is cancer. So somebody may have heart, somebody will have kidney, somebody will have some spare part of the body, right? Ophthalmology is another one. But ophthalmology also you can do only after MBBS.
Oh, yeah.
You have to ENT specialization after MBBS. Therefore, up to MBBS general medicine. And after that, again there is one more general medicine that's called the MD. MD is general medicine. They don't have any specialization. They will give you only medicine, no surgery. See, assume that I have got some problem. I don't know what problem is creating me digestion problem. So I don't know whether it's a kidney problem, it's a pressure problem, it's a sugar problem. Therefore, what we do? Gastroenterology. I don't know whether which doctor I have to go. So we will go to general medicine. That's called MD, Doctor of Medicine. That is after MBBS also you have a general medicine which is called MD. And MD doctor will look at you and then tell you that yeah, your problem is stomach related problem. So go to gastroenterologist.
Oh, okay.
Or if all the test is not positive, there is some not detected, then you have to go to kidney specialist. Like that they will refer. So there are two basic general people. One is MD, Doctor of Medicine. Another one is MS, Doctor of Surgery, Master of Surgery. Master of Medicine, Doctor of Medicine and Master of Surgery. Surgery there is no specialization. His job is cut wherever somebody says. Gastroenterologist will tell you this part of the body has to be cut and removed. He will do that. He is like a surgery. And after MBBS, you have to go to gynecology, Doctor of Gynecology and obstetrician, DGO. They are all specializations. MD, MS, MBBS. MBBS, Master of Bachelor of Surgery and Bachelor of Medicine. That is what is MBBS. For that, Master is MD, MS. So MBBS, MD, MS, they are all general.
Yeah. But if we like advance by PBS, it will take years to complete, right?
After MBBS, any masters is 2 years,
Yeah, so it will like almost
7
years.
years. Do you want to get married faster, produce children, or what? Then why do you
I
worry?
want to work first.
See, I'll tell you, I have got a BDS student. In Kannur Medical College, there was a BDS student. I went to the medical college to give a lecture. And many students knows me. When I went to Dubai, that was during the iftar time. So somebody called me, sir, today you should come for iftar in my house. So I went there. And after reaching there only, she was my student. She got married and came to Dubai. And then husband was telling no more higher studies. She wanted to do MD. After BDS, MDS. But parents and then husband said don't go. So why did she call me? To convince their parents and husband that she has to do MDS. So I told her, don't worry, you write entrance, get admission, then decide whether to do it or not. Writing admission, getting admission, minimum take 1 or 2 years after BDS. Understood? So once she got admission, they all said, okay, go now. So many people soon after BDS will not go for MDS. MBBS, soon after that they will not go. They will take a break. And they will study. See, my niece who studied in Calicut did BDS, then did MTech in nanotechnology, then did PhD in IIT. So 5 years, 2 years, 7 years, then 5 years, 12 years. Now in London doing in the best university postdoctorate. Sisini Shashidharan, check her biodata. She is doing nanotechnology. PhD in nanotechnology, Cambridge University. So how much she gets month per month? Maybe at the time of retirement I did not get that much salary. Understood? You get lot of money for research and you can go to different country. Now assume Afra's father agrees for you to go to Canada for MBBS or America for MBBS. You write SAT exam, get an admission there, go study there. Best. The world is different. Last year, same time, same day, I was teaching students in America how to prepare for SAT exam. You write SAT, SAT, Dr. TPS and search in YouTube. You will see in front of me students are sitting and learning. You should write all exams. Afra, once you are with me, don't stop. You write Canada exams, you write Switzerland, you write all the exams in different places. And then when you get admission, you decide, whether to go or not.
Like you say, like to write. How can we write? Like, is it
Anybody can write. Anybody can write. In the world, anybody can write.
Is it a well-known company?
Yeah, anywhere you can write. Most of them are online today. And you don't even have to go there. See, the other day I had a student who went to New Zealand to study. And now she got a job. She wanted to get a promotion. So she was asking what questions they will ask. How should I prepare? That is also there on YouTube. But some personal discussions I edit. The rest of the things I will put on YouTube so that somebody else also can. Now I am telling you this is useful for somebody else, right? I am telling you look at it, you will learn many things. So similarly, this also I can put by editing. I will ask you at the end. Is it okay for me to put it? Yes. Any personal thing I will cut. Otherwise, only content device, what is there, what I am teaching you will come on to that. Every day I do this. Understood? So that will help. Your communication will improve. You will know, I discussed. So once you discussed, Afran will think, once I discussed, now I should make it happen. That is what you should have. That's why I said, And those children, they are not from Kannur. They are from Pathanamthitta, Thrissur. They will all come to Kannur, stay with me for 10 days. When? 2016. After 5 years, they were all 10th class. 10th, 11th, 12th. Somebody was 10th class, 12th class. Then they went, like you, many people come there. Then they went to New Zealand for higher studies. They got job also there. Now they will send me, oh, this is the place where I am working. I have never went to New Zealand, so I have seen New Zealand. I know how New Zealand people are, what is that they are doing, all because of my students. So I got students all across the globe. Some of my students took me to US last year, 2 years back. So I was there teaching in US. You should don't think of normal what you can do today, what is that you like. Any question you can ask, write it down clearly, right? When you think, oh, I think I should ask, then we can have a discussion. You will clear your doubts. This is only starting. You see, maybe now we have this, what Afra is not now. Afra has changed a lot. Yes or no? Your thought itself has changed, because beginning what you are thinking, what you wanted to be, is not what you are thinking now.
Yeah.
So that is what I want you to make a difference. I am 100% sure your teacher would have referred you to me. Yeah, they have a scope. This person can do something, but she is not doing what she wanted to. She needs little more. Otherwise, normal they don't recommend. Correct?
Yeah.
Who is your best friend?
Yeah.
What is Diya's plan?
She has taken commerce, but like she also doesn't have like what to do after correct.
No. In +1, +2 with maths, biology, who is your best friend?
Gufran.
What is her plan? Her or he or she?
It's she.
Yeah, what is her plan?
Like she has planned to go for like nursing and
Where?
nursing. Like she is going to a hostel. Like after grade 12, she's going to a hostel.
What you should do is collect all such informations. Where are they going? What are they doing? How are they applying? And tell them. You should tell me. I will also apply. Whether you go or not is a different matter. At least you should have a file. When you become old, you must tell, yeah, all these places I applied and I got in all these places. Correct? That will be a great thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is how I studied. I did my LLB, I did my MBA, I did my MS, different subjects. Every time I have different interest, I keep on studying. So don't leave anything. Don't leave anything without applying. Don't leave anything where you have a chance now. Later you will not get. Suppose you joined for something finished. You cannot come back and join for something else, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, this is a good chance, because you have maths, physics, chemistry, biology. One of the best courses which I suggest everyone. From here, now 1 year is there. The right time to think what are all the things which you want to do. And you have any problem in studies, don't worry. Anytime.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Good enough?
Thank you.
So you will have to look at who is this person. Read my poetry. Read my books. I've got books on how to become civil service, IAS. Civil Service Prelims Handbook. There is a book.
Yeah.
Read that. And there are +1, +2 students who come to me and then I have a discussion like this. That also I post it on YouTube. Look at what I posted. How did I post? How did they discuss? What did they ask? What questions they had? Spend some time. Don't sleep early. Don't eat too much after evening.
Okay.
Okay. So that you will be able to stay awake for a long time and then study. This is the right time. You are physically strong. And your focus, emotion should be, interest, passion should be only for learning. Yeah, I must make a big life, great life. What should I do now? That should be your aim. I have got my sisters, children and all.
Thank you.
Parayu uppedu ummada kanyeshna bare.